terms of where the markets are headed from here. We've got Mr. Vinay Rajani of HDFC Securities joining us on the show. Vinay, hi, good afternoon. Good to be speaking with you. Give us a sense on how you've been reading the markets. Last week, we've managed to close the week with a gain of about 1%. We've had a lot of actions that have affected our weekly move. And today, too, the markets are absolutely flat. With the Nifty expiry at play tomorrow, we've got AMFI data, so many more triggers over the week as well. Give us your outlook on where you're seeing Nifty stabilizing for the rest of the week.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Good
So
afternoon.
yes, Nifty is into a consolidation. The on the lower side 24,400 to 500, on the upside 24,700 to 800. This is the resistance and support band. So we are into consolidation, we can say, but the primary trend of the market is bullish. Right now, Nifty is oscillating between its 200 day SMA and 200 days EMA. So 200 days EMA is placed at 24,380 odd level, which is acting as a support. On the higher side, there is a resistance at 24,760, which is its 200-day simple moving average. So we can say that the this consolidation is going on between these two important moving average resistance and support. But yes, primary trend is bullish because we can see a clear strength in the NSE 500 stocks, Nifty Midcap Index, and as well as the Nifty Small Cap Index. So broader markets have been performing very well, and that is showing the continuous outperformance. So one should hope that the breakout will also come on the in the Nifty in the coming days, because Nifty is still above, trading above its 20, 50, 100 and 200 days EMA. So that way we are expecting Nifty to give breakout on the upside. Once we see Nifty breaking above 24,800, the Nifty could easily come back to 25,300, because it will be a end of consolidation and coming back into the bullish momentum zone. And on the lower side, we are expecting 24,300 to 24,400 to act as a very strong support, which can be utilized as a strong support also. So yes, we are bullish for the entire week. Dip should be bought into 24,300 should be the stop loss for trading long position. And once 24,800 is taken out, we can expect 25,300 in Nifty.
So you're expecting a breakout on the upside as far as the Nifty 50 is concerned. Mr. Rajani, good afternoon. Ashesha this side. Any stock-specific ideas you'd like to share with your viewers?
Yeah, so one of the sector which has resumed its uptrend after a healthy correction, most of the stocks in this real estate sector have corrected from their recent peaks. One of the stock which I like on the chart on the primary base or primary trend basis is the Oberoi Reality. This stock has corrected, has seen a running correction. After that, it has reached near to its previous swing high support levels, and now it seems that it is resuming its primary uptrend. So Oberoi Reality is around 1785, 1788. So one can go long for trading. 1750 should be the trading stop loss. On the upside, I am expecting a target of 1850. The second stock I like is from the capital market segment, that is MCX. So commodities have started again showing the momentum. So after crude, now we can see that gold and silver have also started moving in. So this is going to augur well for the stock like MCX, and this has also corrected from the recent peak. So I think MCX around 27201 can go long. 2660 should be the stop loss for the 2 3 days. On the upside, I'm expecting an immediate target at 2900.
Right, okay, those are your picks for the day. Vinay, what's your reading on a stock like Paytm? 8.5% uptick. How are you looking at that stock or that sector?
So this has actually broken out on the long-term charts and recently surpassed the crucial resistance of 1385. So making higher top, higher bottom, and within the sector also this stock has started performing. And after a long time, this kind of stock which has got also good liquidity and is after the result announcement, it is sustaining at higher level. So I think this is going to last, and I think this is going to sustain. And the previous resistance, which was there around 1380, can act as a strong support. So positionally, we are bullish. No doubt, we cannot rule out the possibility of running correction after this much rise. But yes, on dips, one can have a bullish strategy. 138090 is a very strong base around which again the stock could find support and bounce back. So yes, we can expect this stock to make an all-time high positionally for next 2 3 months. I am giving you, this is not a short-term view. So 1380 is a support, and the trend is clearly on the upside.
Okay, so that's the view coming in. But let's also talk about the IT sector. Mr. Rajani, any view you have on this sector?
Yeah, so IT has seen a nice recovery from the lower level in the month of July. First July, it was at 25,700, and now the Nifty IT index has reached nearly 31,700. So healthy recovery has been posted, and now I think the index has reached to its long-term moving average resistances provided by the 200 days EM and SMA both. So I think risk reward ratio is not that much favorable, which was there a couple of months back. But as of now, it looks a bit overbought. However, we have not seen any reversal sign as of now. But taking aggressive longs is not advisable. And existing longs can be protected with a stop loss. I think 31,000 is a very strong support in the Nifty IT index. So unless we see break below that level, one can continue to hold on. But new longs, aggressive longs are not advisable at this point of time.
That's the take on Nifty IT. Aggressive longs not recommended at this point. On that note, Vinay, thank you so much for your time. Good as always to be speaking to you today. Thank you.
Thank